Hi, welcome to clickmateproject.com. Now I am going to explain the project. The title of the project is Machine Quality Assurance System Design and Technology. Now we move on to the abstract of this project. In this project is used to maintain the record of Arno Alloy Steel company concern. In that concern, some processes are available. Those are all pattern storage, pattern inspection, pattern ready for protection, molding, melting, knockout, decoring, cutting, entity testing, machining and dispatch are also performed. Each process activities are available in this system. Manager needs current update of any process with the help of this system. We can able to collect all information. Manager can able to send this detail to the owner in a secure way. So now we move on to the workflow diagram of this project. And this is the workflow diagram of this project. Here the admin enter into the project and he can easily store the data and add the data, that is material details and customer details, in the SQL database, and he can also inspect the respective data like inspection material. By checking that, we can go into the another person, that is pattern ready for production. Here the patterns are ready to protect, and we move on to mold and core. Here we are going to mold this set here of steel and we move on to the knockout stage. In the knockout stage also we are just checking the process is correctly running on the machine or not, and we are finally dispatched by building and dispatch the whole process, the project like admin. The password is also admin. This is the main page of this project, Machine Quality Management System, and here we are going to give the employee name, something like this, and we are going to give the address, and we are going to add that employee to the database and the display register, and he can also edit, search and delete whatever he wants. And we move on to the home, and here we are going to purchase the material. By clicking the purchase material, we can select the material name. Here we select carbon steel, and we need to mention the kilogram, that is 5000, and this is to specify the date when we are going to purchase, and here we are giving the purchase price as 25,000, and the quantity, that is 50, and the quality of that material, particular material, is ISO, and the lifetime usage of that particular material is 5 years. So now we are clicking the submit button. All the information are stored into the database. Here we are going to purchase the product which we want. This is the pattern storage. Now we give the customer name and the customer address as Madurai, and mobile number as something like this. By clicking the generate button, automatically the ID of that particular customer is generated, and by clicking the submit button, the whole information is stored into the database. And move on to material details. We need to give the material details by double clicking the customer ID text box, and we are going to select the good we want, and how many holes we are putting in that wood is mentioned here, and we are going to test two tests, empty and PT. Okay, clicking the generate button, the material ID is generated, and here we are going to give the employee ID that we want to receive. By clicking the submit button, all information is stored into the database. After that, we are going to pattern inspection. We are going to inspect that particular button is present in the database or not. By giving the customer ID as customer file, by clicking the search button, the whole information regarding to that particular customer is displayed to you. And now move on to the inspection, the second inspection. Hereby we are giving the view. The information is retrieved from the database and displayed in the particular fields like this. we are going to give the width and height of that particular material. Here we type the receiving employee ID as PIE ID, and by clicking the done button, the whole information is stored to the respective database. On the mold and core material, material areas material file. By clicking the view button, the particular material is displayed to you. Note that this is the CO2 is carbon dioxide on the air side, and we have to set the particular temperature. In that temperature only we have to melt and mold the material. We are going to select the steam name, which we already selected in the previous form. The kilogram of the particular steel is also mentioned here, and the particular material is not available in stock. Purchase first. This message is told to you. You need to purchase that particular material. Yeah, this is available now. We also indicate that receiving employee ID as MC ID and file. Clicking the done button, the mold and core process is completed now. Now we move on to the knockout stage. In the knockout stage also we have to mention the material ID. By clicking the view button, all the information is stored retrieved from the database. Note that this stage is only for sharing the information from the process and display to you. By clicking the knockout stage, here we are going to checking the process is run in the or not. By clicking the done button, the knockout stage is completed now, and the normal process is now as per the requirement. The normal process is completed, and now we move on to the cutting. Here we are going to cut the material as follows. By cutting the weight kg, we have mentioned the kilogram of that particular material. It is 180. By clicking that completed radio button, this whole cutting process is now going to complete. Yeah, it is completed, and we move on to NDT testing. Here we are going for the testing. The available process is run correctly or not. Here we use two types of tests, NT and PT, which we already selected in that previous form. And these details are sent to the customer. These are the details which already customer given. Also insert the material ID, that is receiving employee ID. The testing is completed now. The whole process is done as per the requirement. It can be tested by NT and PT test. And now we are on to machining. Now we are on to machining. By clicking the V button, the whole information is retrieved from the database, and the height and the quantity and the number of holes also mentioned. By clicking the machine stage, the holes can be already plotted. Now the testing process is completely done to dispatch the particular material from the customer. This is the final stage in this project. By clicking the V button, the quantity and knockout stage and cutting, the whole process is mentioned here, displayed here like this to that particular person. This is the bill. We are going to produce a bill for the particular person. By clicking the save button, the whole information is saved. So that's all about this project. Now we stop the project.